2 words: digital detox. Okay, so you've been sitting at your computer all day. Your eyes are tired, you have a headache, and you feel drained. Can you relate? You're anxious to leave work to start your long weekend adventure with your family. So you finish up your last 27 emails, and now you're out the door. Your truck's all packed, so you start heading up into the great outdoors. But as you start to climb an elevation, your radio starts to go in and out. Oh, great. So you pull over so you can connect to your Spotify.
What? No service? You start to sweat. Your breathing gets fast. Your mind is racing and you can't think. What will you do without internet or cell service?
Fast forward 3 hours. You have camp all set up. You're carrying on a meaningful conversation with your parents. The kids are running around, playing and laughing. The sounds of the birds singing and the river running is oh so calming. What could be better? Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and thank you for joining me today. If we haven't met yet, our channel is about all things camping. And whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to help you have a great camping experience. So today we're talking about unplugging and digital detox. You know, nowadays we are glued to our cell phones. If you take a look, next time you're at your next doctor's appointment or out eating dinner or even at a shopping mall, everyone has their heads down looking at their cell phones. You know, we're so worried about missing out on information that comes across our phones that we truly end up missing out on some of those real moments. You know, cell phones have become such a big part of our lives that most of us would feel lost without them. The average smartphone user clicks, swipes, or taps their phone on an average of 2,617 times a day. This is crazy insane. So this is where one of the many wonderful benefits of camping comes into play, and that would be digital detox. You know, the sheer value of disconnecting from our digital devices and connecting with our loved ones and, yes, even ourselves is truly priceless. Now, you don't have to go camping to do this, but camping provides such a wonderful opportunity for this to happen. You know, there's so many incredible benefits that camping offers, and so we will be covering them in future videos. So we would love to have you subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. So on to the topic. If disconnecting or unplugging sounds unreal or even impossible, think about just starting small and maybe trying it for a couple hours. Just try being aware of what's happening around you. You know, this is such a wonderful way to recharge our spiritual batteries and become present with what's happening in the world around us. And by doing this, it provides a healthy reminder of the benefits that come from taking a break from our devices. You know, there is now a national day for unplugging, and it's set to take place from sundown on the first Friday in March to sundown on the first Saturday in March. And this is their 11th year that it's taken place. It's basically such a great time to unwind, unplug, relax, reflect, get outdoors, and just connect with the ones that you love. If this is something that sounds interesting, check out their website at National Day of Unplugging. Or just go camping. You know, there's not a time that I don't go camping that I'm not taken back by the peace I feel and the amazing connections that are rekindled just because of the fact that I can't use my cell phone or my computer. You know, I always come back from our camping trips feeling so rejuvenated and so refreshed and just more connected with what's truly important. I can actually feel withdrawal symptoms when I get too busy in my daily life. And that's when I know I need to get camping and basically just reconnect with myself and disconnect with my devices. Ah, so nice and so needed at times. But don't take my word for it. Try it for yourself and let us know of your wonderful experiences. If you got some value out of this video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. So until next time, unplug, and I'll see you on the next adventure.